Yes, good morning, Biafrans. Good morning to you all. Good morning, everyone. This is Igbo people's business that was destroyed in Ladipo yesterday.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to Global Love Channel TV, where we bring you the latest happening around it. This is what we have been shouting and saying every day by day. Hey, Globe. Yes, on this Global Love Channel TV, all we do here is just to bring the truth to naked it. All of us will witness it. Yes, this very video that you're about to watch, my wonderful people, please do well to watch the video to the very end of it. Don't skip any part of this video because it's worth watching. It will surprise you. It will shock you. It's a mind blowing. Yes, you will not regret watching this video. Watch the video to the very end of it. Yes, all we do here on this Global Love is just to bring the truth to naked it. All of us will witness it. Yeah, because the injustice that is going on in this world is becoming too much. Yeah, the earlier we wake up to begin to say the truth, is better for us, because it's only the truth the world shall be saved. Please, my wonderful people, as you're about to watch the video, do well to touch a hand for subscribe button, like and spread this message, and do well to touch a hand for notification message. Whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Let's go in there and watch it over. And don't forget that an injustice for one is an injustice for all. Always stand by the side of truth, because it's only the truth that the world shall be saved. Yes, let's go in there and watch the video.
People came out to sell their markets yesterday morning and discovered that their shop has burned to the ground. Now, this thing that the Lagos state government is doing is very bad. Just because you people are in power, you now use that opportunity to start destroying our livelihood, properties. We have decided to leave Nigeria completely. But up to today, Tinubu, the illegitimate president of Nigeria, has refused to sign or to acknowledge our documents. But I know that is not even necessary, because whether you sign it or you don't sign it, we will still live peacefully, because we have met all the requirements to live as a nation. But it is very saddening that you are calling yourself a president of Nigeria, president of the whole country, and yet you allow this kind of nonsense to be happening. People that suffered to go and raise money and, establish themselves, today their livelihood, you have destroyed it, destroyed their shop. Tomorrow now, you will come and take over that land because it has been consumed by fire. That is what you people did in Yaba Market. Remember, that is what you did. You did. That is what you all do every single time. Why treating the Igbos in this manner? The same people that you say that they are terrorists, you go and destroy their livelihood. Who is now terrorizing his own citizen? The government of Nigeria is now terrorizing their own citizen. Tinubu, the best thing is for you to allow the Igbos to live in peace, because we can no longer continue in this kind of contraction. We can't. Nigeria is a very dangerous diversity, very dangerous one indeed. I have come here several times to ask Nigerians, what is the meaning of Nigeria? Nigeria is not an Igbo name. Nigeria is not a Yoruba name. Nigeria is not an Hausa name. Nigeria is not an Efik name. Nigeria is not a Calabar name. What is the meaning of Nigeria? None of you have been able to answer that question. And today I am saying that Tinubu, allow the Igbos to go in peace. Allow us to go in peace. That is the only option to fix Nigeria. That is the only option that we have today on your table. We do not want any money. We do not want any negotiation or whatsoever. Allow the Igbos to go so that we can go and develop our region and compete among nations. You cannot keep us in perpetual bondage and expect good things to come out of it. It can never happen. That can never happen. So, destroying Ladipo markets will not do you any good, will not do the government of Nigeria any good. Rather, worsening your own case. And believe you me, you see, the kidnap of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will completely destroy Nigeria. I have said it and I will keep saying it. Believe that.
I will not round off this interview without you telling me about Chukwuemeka Odumegwu, Ojukwu. You knew him?
Yes, he was my friend.
Your friend?
Yes.
Tell me about your friend.
When I think about the man, I think about the ideal I have of the Igbo man. What is happening nowadays is that there are certain characters of Igbo origin who, when you give them $100,000, they will sell their father and sell their mother on top of that because of $100,000 or a plot of land in Abuja or oil block. In fact, nobody even gives them any oil block. That's too much to give to charlatans, people who they see as charlatans. But Ojukwu couldn't be bribed. He said and remained resolute that you can't kill my people like this. These are human beings, massacred across the country. Women with their stomachs ripped open and unborn children brought out. People decapitated. Have you seen the UK report on all those massacres? I have the book. All those things happened there, and nobody has apologized about that. You see? But Ojukwu said, no, you can't do that. It's a lesson that evil will always be opposed. And you see how it happened for him. When he died, you had somebody with some sense in power. I followed the burial through. He was giving state burial, no be so.
Yeah.
And there was something he told his son, which most people didn't know. I was in Peter Obi's government with his son, Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu Jr. He said, before they close my casket, put a Biafran flag inside it. Emeka Jr. had all those military officers, everybody was there before they put that flag there.
He put it there.
Oh, yes, quote me.
Ojukwu was buried with the Biafran flag?
Oh, yes, in his casket.
Does that mean the burial of Biafra?
It means the signification of what Ojukwu believed in. That's what it means.
Does it mean that Biafra will come?
I've told you from the outset of this interview that Chukwuemeka claims many things, but not prophecy. I'm not a prophet.
You can't project?
I can't project in directions that are aimed at causing stupefaction. I will not do that. I don't project to stupefaction, no.
So Ojukwu was buried with Biafra in his heart.
So you said that now yourself, so you've got the gist.
So that is the gist.
You got the gist.
So more Nnamdi Kanus will come.
If they like, they will come. But let me tell you something. You asked me here what Igbo want. I say they want to be treated like other Nigerians. Didn't you hear that guy they called Igbo, what's his first name, who started to raise Yoruba agitation here before they seized him?
Sunday Igbo.
Because they felt marginalized. If you marginalize somebody being human, you say, why? That was what happened in South Africa. If you want to if you want to put a halt to separatist agitations, treat A the way you treat B, the way you treat C, the way you treat Z. Don't make this person a god and make this person a footstool.